looking for a solution to create in your home with the criterion of free energy being created? Here will be the answer. There are many types of homemade AC generators, with many different inventions. I introduce an AC generator based on Lenz's force reversal technology on the control coil. This control coil is integrated right on the AC generator, including one pair of coils controlling one pair of rotating magnets. This pair of magnets and the remaining magnets when passing through the secondary coil on the stator will create voltage. This is similar to connecting an induction motor to the AC generator head to create a self-running generator. This is the type of machine that is often demonstrated on videos, but they hide the method of reversing the reversed electromotive force. Now, this structure is integrated into one, and the diagram is clear. To get the reverse electromotive force, a pair of coils are needed connected through a field semiconductor J, the depletion mode MOSFET. The S leg of this depletion mode J MOSFET is connected to the sensor. In fact, this sensor is like an electronic eye, it sees where the magnet is. This sensor can be replaced with a phototransistor. You need to punch a hole in the rotor to mount the magnet. The sensor will close the circuit on the control coil, then there will be a voltage and current surge effect. At this time the magnet is controlled by the coil, it is in the middle position, or slightly offset. There should be an effect of attracting the magnet back, but because of the reverse electromotive force created by the J, the depletion mode MOSFET working with the sensor opening the circuit, is immediately closed for a moment. Then the MOSFET is in the default mode as an NPN reverse transistor. Note that the back EMF is generated momentarily because the MOSFET is turned off momentarily, but it generates a back EMF and reverses the Lenz force. The energy generated in this moment is very large, more than enough to counteract the back EMF during the process of generating electricity in the remaining 4 coils. Why is the energy in this moment so large? The explanation is presented in the Overunity Generator blog. Check it out if you need an explanation. Installing or building this generator for your home is not difficult. You just need to know the circuit diagram and the specifications of the electronic components, along with other small techniques such as using a soldering iron to connect copper wires. In addition, the magnet mounting plate needs to be carefully calculated. Use plane geometry to divide the points on the circle evenly, then calculate where the sensor is placed accurately. Such detailed instructions will be included in the book series on generating free energy for your home. This is an invention that many technical developers have relied on to create other inventions than established companies. In Australia, in 2003, there was a company that specialized in selling free energy generators to families or enthusiasts of this technology. But then, they stopped the project because of competition with oil. This is the truth, not a conspiracy theory. You will save a lot of money by not having to pay electricity bills when investing in this scientific project. Good luck and good luck.